I've been working on a little project about playing spin in the subcontinent. Oh! To practice at home and also have fun at home. So I got this mat that I've used over the years for different things, for a bit of sea movement and trying to get a bit of spin off it. But obviously in the subcontinent, one of the big factors, and everyone sort of sees it, is the ball spinning big, and then also sliding on big. So that's you. Oh, sometimes, you know, you always see the replays of all the straight balls getting wickets, but people obviously don't watch the balls in between that are spinning big. So what I've done here is I've tried to recreate sort of a similar type thing. These are the aluminium and metal sheets that I've taped onto this rubber matting. So the idea is that the ball will skid on if it hits the metal fabric on the tape side, and then if it hits the in between in the rubber, then it's going to spin. So, you know, obviously from a batter's perspective, then I'm trying to set up here and work on, you know, how am I going to play in these conditions? You know, play for the inside, for the slide. You know, picking up the length of looking for balls to score off. Anyway, so, you know, we've given it a try today. It's been quite successful, and hopefully we can get some footage and have a look at it.